Hello, buyers. Quarter two update for you all. And I guess first and foremost, I just want to thank you for the opportunity to pre-approve you and just earn your business through this process. And let's see if we can get you into something. All right. Hot topic, of course, right now is always going to be interest rates. It has been for the last 4 years. As of today, the 30-year fixed rate national average is 7.02%, and that is up 0.45% from quarter one, March 31st of this year. People want to know, okay, well, Shane, what is the outlook? What's going to happen in the future? And I'm always going to be honest with you, right? Nobody knows. And I think anybody that's telling you that they know is just purely guessing. And you're going to find news that's going to tell you it's going up in the future, and you're going to see news that's telling you it's going to go down. I think what's more important than trying to guess and listen to people that are guessing is working with what we know. And what we do know is that buyer demand is down. When demand is down, prices come down. And that's not necessarily to say that um, home values in Hawaii are decreasing, but it is to say that buyers' offers are getting accepted that are, I guess, more aggressive. I think last I saw, only 1/3 of offers and transactions that are closing are at or above the listing price, right? Rewind to 2 years ago when we're in that low interest rate environment. Um, Buyers are offering 20, 50, $150,000 above asking, waiving all of their contingencies just to get a shot, right? Just to get their offer considered. So if you're on the sideline waiting for the rates to drop, keep that market from 2 years ago in the back of your mind. When we get back into this low interest rate environment, are we prepared to offer, at above, well above the asking price? Because that's what the low interest rate environment gives us. That's not where we are right now. Also, keep in mind, your purchase price is forever, right? That'll never change no matter what. Now, we lock in interest rate right now, maybe it is at 7%. If that rate continues to increase, we're going to look back and feel decently good about owning a home at 7%. Now, if we're at 7% and it decreases, our interest rate is not necessarily forever. We can always refinance you down to the market, all the while you've been enjoying the benefits of home ownership, right? And so I want you to keep that in mind. Yes, we are in a higher interest rate environment, but there's so much less competition out there that getting a good aggressive offer accepted right now is much, much, much more likely than in the low interest rate environment when it was a frenzy 2 years ago. All right, so that's kind of my interest rate topic there. Switching gears to some finance options, just some refreshers here. First time home buyers have a minimum down payment of 3%. If going conventional, it's 5% if you're not a first-time home buyer, 3.5% if it's FHA. And if you're looking to purchase an investment property, it starts at a 15% minimum down payment. If you're self-employed and you have some kind of guru for a CPA, sometimes your income that you're reporting doesn't accurately reflect what you might truly be making as income. And that can be frustrating for self-employed buyers. I have a solution for that. It's a loan program where we qualify you strictly based on bank statements from your business. We don't even collect business or personal tax returns. Kind of a nice option for self-employed buyers. And lastly, I want to leave you with this stat because it's always honestly, for me, it's inspiring, but for you, you might find something else. But as of this past May, there was $5.2 billion of mortgage loans closed in the state of Hawaii year to date, right? But that's billion with a B. So I want to kind of re-emphasize here that purchases are happening and they're using financing to do it. And I don't want us to get so turned off by national news and um, falling home value prices because that's just not our market here in Hawaii. We have a good, resilient market. And so I don't want you to be so discouraged from that. And I share that just to let you know that people are out there buying in Hawaii, right? Sure, it's not what it was 2 years ago, that volume, but there's still billions of dollars of purchases and financing going on as we speak. It's $1 billion a month. Um, so get in there. All right, that is about it. Always available to you, of course, along the way. Questions, concerns, thoughts, kick some ideas around, run some new scenarios, whatever you need. I'm here to help. Thank you very much for your time, and we'll talk soon.